How many meetings does a strata council actually have to have? Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. We get this question a lot because so many more properties in British Columbia are stratified, and that's going to be more and more as density becomes even more clear, especially living on an island with a mountain on one side and, the ocean on the other. So back to the strata question. The Strata Property Act doesn't say exactly how many strata meetings you have to have. You have to have an annual meeting. So if you're buying into strata, the question is, hey, these people aren't meeting very much. What's going on? Now, it might be a very small strata. Some of them are 2 or 3. It might be a larger one. It's self-managed. There could be a lot of variables there. But since there's no rule, think about all the things that are going on in that strata. If they don't meet, when are they actually doing the business of the strata? The strata is a business like any other. It has to get together and talk about bylaws, talk about depreciation reports and those things. So buying in a strata is always a unique challenge. We're here to help, and there's a great company called Condo Clear that you can hire to go through all those documents. Just reach out to me at 250-616-3641, and we can get over those together. Okay? Have a great day.